friends. Today I'm going to show you how I do a really nice roasted Brussels sprouts. So I've got a nice bunch of Brussels sprouts here and I've already taken the stems off. I'm just going to cut them in half and put them in my bowl. These are wonderful. Just cut them in half like so. And I drizzle my olive oil and my spices on them because I love it. In the oven, when they caramelize, they make a wonderful side dish. But in this case, we're just going to have some for our lunch. And my husband loves these too, so this is a nice little treat. Okay, so when you get them all cut in half like that, you're going to want to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. Maybe about a tablespoon worth. Just give them a nice drizzle. And then we're going to take a little bit of garlic powder. Maybe like a half a teaspoon. And just sprinkle garlic powder on them. Wonderful. I'm also going to use a little bit of onion powder on them. And a little bit of pepper. A couple dashes of salt. Okay. And then we're just going to toss them. My hands are nice and clean, so just get in there and toss them until they're evenly coated. Absolutely, these are wonderful. Not to mention they're very healthy, but they are good. Alright, now I'm going to take my little tray right here. And I'm just going to dump them on that. But I'm going to make sure that all the cut sides are down, because that's what will caramelize. And then the outside will get a little crispy and they'll be just delicious. Okay, spread them out a little bit. Alright, now these are going to go in my oven, 400 degrees, for about a half hour. And then when they're done, I'll bring you back and show you how wonderful they are. Okay friends, these are all done. I just took them out of the oven. And the tops are crispy. But look, I want to show you underneath how nice and caramelized those are. Absolutely beautiful. They're all like that. When you flip them cut side down, they get nice and caramelized. So I'm just going to put a few in the dish here. The outside is nice and crispy, and the inside is nice and soft, and the other side of it is caramelized, and they are wonderful that way. So there you have it, friends. Nice roasted Brussels sprouts. Very easy and very delicious and very healthy. Thanks for watching.